Good morning, guys. So today, just got in the mail. This one, I guess it is a shift now for my Honda. Yeah. So we're gonna change up the shift knob, the stock ass shift knob. So yeah, the shift knob. So this is a universal shift knob. Comes with some adapters. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 Donnie. I keep telling people sorry, cause lately I've been telling them all about my problems, but I've been feeling like I don't got that many options.
So yeah, let's remove the stock shift knob. Just wanna you just wanna whoa, what happened? Oops. So guys, to remove the shift knob is just pull this down for some Civics and screw it up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here you go, guys. Done. Yeah. So we just need to test this. I think. Oops. Need to choose some adapters for Civic. Whoa. So I think this is the one. It fits somehow. Then we just need to suck the shift knob. There. BRB, guys. I don't know if I'm doing right. So let's test. Just need to you just need guys, it's wrong. You just need to screw it till the bottom. Then that one will go in this what? Alrighty, guys, it's in it. The adapter is in, so just need to screw. Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone, cause I merry-go-round. Even though I'm on my own, I'll always be a child at the bone. In the merry-go-round, even though I'm grown, I know I'm still a child at the bone.
Alright, guys, so the shift knob is in. It looks like yeah, it got some weight at it. So it got numbers at it. But the reason is I hate this. Like, what is this? Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do to it. So yeah, that's the problem. But yeah, that's all. So guys, I think I realized that I need to take off the adapter for this junky ass. Yeah, and I think I need to put it in here. I hope it works. Yeah. I hope this works, guys.
Yeah. I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning. But girl, I'ma tell you what's next. I can play the rope filler if you really want that.
Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.